Hi everyone, myself Vishaladitya, founder and CEO of Workspace Technology. We introduce ourselves as an automation and systems company. We are building next generation automation solutions and products that are capable of solving day-to-day problem of industry. So we started with a dream of having an Indian brand with various technology domain in the electronics and embedded systems. So we have our business is related to embedded systems and electronics, firmware design, firmware development, schematics and PCB design, the hardware design. So in the firmware development services, we have various technology tool chains and ARM setup. We also support on various custom protocols, then MQTT, ZigBee, Z-Wave, and various AES custom encryption algorithms. So we support on various parts of algorithms and custom protocols for the communication over BLE or Wi-Fi. Then custom BLE services for mobile devices as well as any other master and slave devices. In the medical devices, we also have a solution of ECG, EMG, EKG, PPG, HR and SPO2. On the software side, we support from Python to C++. So we basically build custom software services as well as GUI for the various custom designed hardware. So we also support on Qt, C++. So we have various solutions for the industry and factory automation, human intrusion detection, the person counter, laser-based distance sensing, as well as precise measurement of objects, various object and dimension detection modules, data loggers for the quality and monitoring of various industrial machines and tools. So all this data can be monitored on the cloud via Wi-Fi and the local intranet as well as internet. So we also support on Google IoT and AWS IoT services. So on ESP side, we also have Mongoose OS for the custom operating system on the different embedded platform hardware. So in the software services, we have image processing based various tools and applications, automatic number plate recognition for various countries we are supporting, plus complete solution of the ANPR like the complete CCTV and camera installation, network installation and services. So our ANPR is very much accurate. It's been already deployed and being used to multiple clients. Then face recognition based various solutions. So uniquely identifying the person throughout some area or some places, as well as the security systems. So based on face rec. So we have a cloud-based face rec as well as native face rec for the small prototypes we have based in Raspberry Pi. Then we have various sensors and sensor modules, various industrial sensors. So this is a time of flight sensor. So this is based on laser and this measures pretty accurate distance. So you can have a various entry and exit counters. So this is from ST Microelectronics. So this is an NRF 52832 development board. So these are various. This is an RF 52840 development board with NFC and Bluetooth support. Then we have Texas Instruments MSP 432. So this is also a very good development board for the evaluation and development of various custom devices. This is STM32F0 series development board, and this can be a very easy way to start any custom PCB design and custom products. This is STM32F4 series. This is a very powerful small microcontroller. We can also do some of face detection and image processing work in this. So this is our workspace and working area. So we build various products and start testing it out here. So different kind of we also do rapid prototyping. So we have 3D printers. So once we evaluate the system and the design, then we go out and make a product design and enclosure of it, and then we 3D print it out here and then put all the electronics and the casing for the first prototype inside this, and then we start testing it out here. So let's see how we are working here in our office. Let's see our team and how our team works together.
Hi, myself Vinod, co-founder and product design engineer of Workspace Technology. We give product designing services and 3D printing, 3D modeling and total end-to-end solution for a product in industrial factory automation and robotics and electronics, electronic devices, gadgets, rapid prototyping, and in production do a product designing and give an end-to-end solution for a product. Also give the production support.
Hi, I'm Samajit Kumar Singh, working as an embedded software engineer. Here my responsibility to take care about embedded firmware development and testing of embedded devices. Presently, I'm working on an embedded oxygen generator and air purification system for hospital. Here I also worked on different microcontroller like STM32, NRF, MSP, ESP, Arduino and many more.
Hi, myself Nehit, working as an embedded software engineer. I take care of designing, coding, testing and library functions. Currently I am working on GSM module which is used to track the vehicle and monitor the vehicle's parameters.
Hi, I am Anshul, working as data scientist, taking care of developing and optimizing vision algorithms, object recognition using conventional neural networks, implementation and developing algorithms using PyTorch and TensorFlow under Linux and Windows, performing data analysis for system performance enhancement.